Good and faithful servant. These are the praise I want to hear from Jesus kung makikita kami in the future. Hi, I am Donna, a nanay transformed by God through motherhood. Now, if you're familiar with the story of the parable of the talent from the Gospel of Matthew 25:14-30, na kung saan may isang master na magbabakasyon but before siya umalis, binigyan niya muna ng money which is considered as talent, yung tatlo niyang servants. Pinakaunang servant, binigyan niya ng 5, pero dahil hardworking ito, naging 10 pagbalik ng master. Sa pangalawa naman ay binigyan niya ng 2, pero dahil hardworking rin ito, ay naging 4 pagbalik ng master. At ang panghuli naman ay binigyan niya ng 1. Hindi naman sa tamad ito, pero dahil natakot lang siya, tinago niya lang ito, kaya naman pagbalik ng master, nagalit ito sa kanya. This is a very powerful story kung saan makikita natin ang ilan sa mga characteristic ni God. Una, God gives everyone gifts and abilities or time or opportunities according lang sa kaya nila. Kaya, hindi sila same ng amount ng talent kasi alam ng master or ni God siguro na si servant 1 ay mas hardworking kay servant 2 at servant 3. Pangalawa, He wants us to use our gifts. Hindi pwedeng itago at ibaon sa lupa kasi lang takot kang ma-judge, wala kang time o talagang nireject mo lang ang calling mo. Pangatlo, God doesn't look at how much you have, He looks at your heart and its faithfulness with whatever you have from Him. Also, sinabihan niya rin sina servant 1 and servant 2 ng, "Well done, good and faithful servant, I will give you more." And as a Christian, ito rin yung gusto kong marinig sa aking master na si Jesus sa kanyang second coming. Gusto ko rin sabihan niya ako ng, "Well done, Donna. Well done, good and faithful servant." Pero hindi yun mangyayari kung pipiliin ko yung ginawa ng servant 3. Kung hindi ko gagamitin yung mga talents na binigay niya sa akin, syempre, wala akong ganong maririnig. Also, hindi niya rin ako masasabihan ng ganon kapag whole day akong nakaupo, palipat-lipat ng app sa aking cellphone, nagdo-drum schooling, and sa tuwing nagbi-binge watch ako ng paborito kong movie series sa Netflix, malabo talaga akong maging good and beautiful servant niya. Now, by the way, if you like this kind of content, please subscribe naman para ma-update kayo if may bago tayong pag-uusapan. And pakishare na lang din sa iba kasi baka ito yung kailangan nilang marinig today. Now, kaya naman I pursue intentionality and holiness in everything that I do. Hindi perfect pero at least consistent. I make sure that lahat ng ginagawa ko at kinokonsume ko ay patungo sa direksyon of becoming a good and faithful servant. Sa aking homeschooling, homemaking, business and finances, this ministry, because I am completely aware of the existence of our enemy na naghihintay lang ng chances para pigilan ako to do what the Lord had commanded me to do. Oh Jesus, remind me to protect my time, attention and productivity. Strengthen my shield of faith against the enemy's attack. Ito ang parati kong prayers every time na may temptation to just waste my time for nothing. Kayo, ginagawa nyo rin ba ang tungkulin nyo para tawagin kayong good and faithful servant ni Jesus someday? This is Nanay Donna. Until next time, bye!